In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Hades on the Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do is open up the Nintendo website through a web browser on your computer or your phone, or you can go directly into the Nintendo eShop on your Switch. Using the search function at the top, you can look for Hades, and it should be the first game to pop up. You can either buy it physically, as you can see, this is the physical edition of the game made by Supergiant, or the digital version for $25 on the eShop. You can browse through the page if you need a summary of the game, and you can see all the supported play modes and other information about the game. As long as you have this amount of space available on your Switch and you purchase a digital edition, you will be able to download the game immediately and start playing right away. If you buy the physical edition, all that you have to do is insert the card into your Switch and you will be able to play right away as well. As you can see, it is a single player game, so you only need one controller to play, and all the game will be available by default as soon as you buy the digital edition. You can look through to see if there are any expansions, and as long as you purchase the game from the eShop or physically, you will have access to everything. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Hades on the Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.